Hey y'all, welcome to Craftable Things. I'm Patrice and I'm glad that you're here. If this is your first time here, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Also, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you here. Head over to Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok and also join me there as well. So, have you ever looked at words and images and wondered, how do they do that? How do they get those squiggly lines? How do they get these beautiful fonts? I mean, it doesn't really look like the fonts that you have already downloaded on your computer, right? And so you are very curious because guess what? You want your images, your designs, your words to look just as jazzy as those, right? Well, today I partner with Creative Fabrica and I am going to show you all a very special font, the Samantha script font, and I will show you all of the different flourishes and glyphs that come along with this beautiful script font. If you are interested in getting this font, the link will be listed in the description below. Additionally, if you were to get this font, you will also get 1 month of all access to everything that Creative Fabrica has to offer. All right, so let's get started. I will be showing you all how to download these fonts, how to upload them onto your computers, and how to get started using them. So let's get started. Okay, y'all, so we are inside of Creative Fabrica, and Creative Fabrica is the host of over 4 million images that you can use for your business. Every item on here that's purchased comes with a commercial license, so you want to check that out. We are going to be looking at the font Samantha Upright, and here's his font, and I have not downloaded it yet. I wanted to make sure that we downloaded it together, and so to download the font, all you have to do is click download, but we do just want to look at the product screen or the product page, and right here you see it includes the commercial license. You have premium technical support, unlimited downloads. So this font is perfect for your business, and y'all, look how beautiful this font is. And this is just some examples of the fonts, the different flourishes and glyphs that comes with the font. So I'm excited about us opening up this font and looking a little more closely at it. All right, so let's scroll down. And if you want to go into the Creative Fabrica website and look at this font, all you have to do is click onto Samantha Upright. I will have a link listed in the description below that will take you directly to this font. Okay, so here is a little more information about the font, and y'all, the Samantha Upright Pro has over 2,000 glyphs. Okay, those are the fancy squiggly lines, the fancy letters that is included with certain fonts. Not all fonts have glyphs or flourishes, but the Samantha script font does. Okay, so let's see, they have here where we can view some of the glyphs, and this is before we even download. So when you're looking at fonts on Creative Fabrica, look at the product page. You can look and see everything that is attached to it. These are the different letters, and all of this stuff here in yellow, that's what we consider to be glyphs or flourishes. Okay, so as you all can tell, the A starts to get a little fancy. Look at that fancy A, right? And so that is available for different letters. So there's the fancy B, okay? And all of these right here are uppercase letters, but as you go through the alphabet, you will see other ways. So depending on your word, that is how you would select your glyphs. So you don't want your glyphs to interfere with the letters. You want it to be very legible, your words. So that's how you decide. And this gives you the option of several different glyphs or fancy letters for each letter. And that's not really common. Okay, so that's why this font is pretty amazing, because it's giving you a lot more than other fonts will give you. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and we are going to click download, and I am going to show you all how to access these glyphs. So let's click download. Okay, so everything's downloaded and now it's time for us to access the font. So you want to click onto the download button at the top of your web browser and you will find your download there, Samantha Upright. You can also access this by clicking onto your files folder and going into your downloads and it will be there. We are going to select the Samantha Upright OTF file to install onto our MacBook. And in order to do that, you are going to double click onto the file and then you are going to click onto install font. Okay, so once you click onto install font, you are going to then install the font onto your computer and now it is there and you can locate the font in your font book app. Okay, once inside of the font book app, you will be able to see all of the different flourishes and the glyphs, and you will be able to use these on your MacBook. Okay, so now we're going to download this on my Windows PC, and you're pretty much going to follow the same steps. Click download, and then the file will be downloaded onto your computer. You can locate it at the bottom of your browser, or you can also go to your file folders and find it there as well under downloads. Okay, now we are going to select the font, Samantha Upright, and all you have to do is click on to install, and this will be installed onto your PC. Okay, so now this is installing and we are just going to test this out and make sure that it is on there. Of course, I am going to type in Craftable and we are going to search for Samantha Upright. And there it is, very, very tiny. I almost missed it, but it is there. Let's make that larger. And y'all, this is a beautiful font. You are now able to use this in your various programs. And to find the glyphs, all you have to do is go down to your start button in the bottom left corner, type in character maps, and that is your character map. It is equivalent to the font book on your Mac if you have a Mac, but that's where you find all of your different fonts and your different glyphs, and you will be able to make all of the beautiful words with this gorgeous font. All right, y'all, so if you're interested in this font, please head over to Creative Fabrica and check out the Samantha Upright font. It is on sale this week, and you will also be able to get the 1 month all access to all of Creative Fabrica's images and their warehouse. And really, y'all, it is a great business tool and resource to have. So don't forget to also download the bonus files. And we are just going to take a look at those bonus files before we get off. And it is a PDF file that we just downloaded. And this is a user guide to the font, and how beautiful is this font, y'all? This font is beautiful. So this just gives you even more details of the different fonts or the different glyphs that this particular font offers. So you definitely want to check this out. Not many fonts come as detailed as this, so this is also super, super impressive. All right, y'all. So I hope this was helpful. I hope now you know how you can download the Samantha Upright font or any other font that you may find online. If you are interested in this particular font, the link will be listed in the description below. So make sure to click that link and it will bring you directly here to this font. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure to subscribe to this channel if you are not already a subscriber. Head over to Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok and join the Craftable Things community there as well. That's it for today, y'all. Thank you all so very much for watching and checking out this font with me. Until next time.